Hi everybody. Today we're going to make some rubbings. So what you need is some paper, some leaves, and some crayons that you peel all the paper off of. Whee! So there are just two little crayons there. You can use a crayon like that. You can also use a pencil and rub it on the side. But I like a crayon because it gives you a lot of surface area. Okay, so I'm going to take this leaf and this piece of paper. You can use notebook paper, regular printer paper, and then put it here. I think I'll use the green one. And I'm holding the leaf under the paper with my hand, and then I'm gonna rub the crayon like this. And I don't know if you can tell, but there's some leaf starting to show there. I think you can see that. Okay, and then you might have to move your hand to hold the leaf so you can get the whole leaf. The more you do it, the darker it gets. Isn't that pretty? I think that's really pretty. Okay, that's one leaf. Let's try a different one. Here's one that's dry and brown. Let's see if that works. I'll use my brown crayon. Not that it has to be brown because the leaf is brown, but that's funny that I happen to have those two crayons. Oh, that worked pretty good. Look at that. And you could combine them. You could do different ones on the same piece of paper with different color crayons or the same color crayon. So here's something else I found. If you look around your house and go outside, you'll find all kind of different things. This is a hot pad that has a pattern on it, like a texture that sticks out and you can feel it. And that's kind of what you need to do a rubbing so that it will have something to pick up. So let's try that on here. Look at that, it looks like honeycomb. That's a cool pattern. That's from a hot pad, and then I found this little piece of plastic that's got a grid pattern in it. I'm gonna try that one. Ooh, that's cool. The little squares that you get out of that. Look at that. So that's some things that I found around the house. You might find different things, I'm sure you will. I found this funny thing, I'm not even sure what it's for, but it has some squares that stick up, so I'm gonna try that. I have to rub that pretty lightly so my crayon doesn't go down in the ridges in between. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, I love that, look at that. And then you could go in later and like color that with different colors, color in some of the different patterns. You could add color like to this leaf. You could color all kind of different things. Anything you want, right? There's lots of stuff you could do. And I'm excited to see what you do, what you find. So explore. I went outside and I found this pattern on my driveway. So I made that pattern, and that was some piece of wood that I found. I also did some with a pencil on this envelope, which I like. You can see that. If you want to see how to do pencil, you just take your pencil, use the side of it like that, where it is, and rub that. It's a little bit trickier, and you can't get as much at a time, so it takes a little bit more time. But it gives a really cool rubbing. So have fun, explore, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.